Hello students, let us solve exercise 4.6 question 1. From the figure, identify A. The center of circle, B. 3 radii, C. A diameter, D. A chord, E. 2 points in the interior, F. A point in the exterior, G. A sector, H. A segment. So students, let us identify the given questions from the figure. First question is asked that identify A, the center of the circle. So students, let us identify. So students, what we have to identify? We have to identify center of the circle. What is the center of the circle? A circle is made up of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point. This fixed point is called the center of the circle. So which is the center of the circle? O is the center of the circle. So let us write answer. Solution A. O is the center of circle. Now question number B is asked 3 radii. Radii means what? So let us observe from the figure. In the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle and the segment OA is its radius. Now, this is the center of the circle and this OA is the radius. Now, here in this question it is asked, find the radii. Radii is the plural of radius. So, in this figure, there are more than one radii. Hence, we have to find 3 radii from the figure. So, let us find answer from the figure. So, one we have already find, that is OA. So, which is one more, that is OB, and this is OC. So, these are the 3 radii, OA, OB and OC. Radii is a plural of radius. So, let us write answer. So, answer B is OA, OB and OC are 3 radii. So, these are 3 radii. Answer B, OA, OB and OC are 3 radii. So, we get 3 radii. Now, next question. Question number C, a diameter. So, let us find diameter from the figure. This is the figure given. We have to find diameter. Diameter means what? A chord of a circle that passes through the center of the circle is called diameter of the circle. So here, from this figure, which line segment passes through the center of the circle? AC. So here you can say that AC is a diameter of the circle. So here AC is a diameter of the circle. So let us write. So let us write solution. So number C is answer is AC is a diameter of the circle. Now next question is asked a chord. So let us find answer of a chord. Students, first of all, what is chord? Chord is a segment joining any 2 points of the circle. Means a segment that joining any 2 points of the circle. So from this figure, which is the segment that joins the 2 points? ED. So ED is the chord of the circle. So number D answer is ED is a chord of the circle. Now question number E is asked two points in the interior. So we have to find 2 points that are interior of the circle. So let us find answer. So this is the figure given in question. Which are the 2 points that is inside the circle? So here point P is there which is inside the circle, and point O. Also you can observe that point O is inside the circle. So which are the 2 points interior of the circle? O and P. Rest of the points E, D, C, B, A, all these points are on the circle. But point O and P are in the interior of the circle. So let us write answer. So students, here answer E is point O and P are in the interior of circle. Question number F. A point in the exterior. So there is one point which is in the exterior of the circle. So let us find answer. So students, from this figure, which point you can observe from outside the circle? Point Q. So here we can write answer as point Q is in the exterior of the circle. So let us write answer. So students, here we will write answer F as point Q is in the exterior of circle. Now question number G and H. Question G, a sector, and H, a segment. So let us find answer of these 2 questions. Students, first of all, what is sector? Sector means what? A region in the interior of the circle which is enclosed by an arc and 2 radii. So sector means what? A region in the interior of the circle. But the condition is what? It is enclosed by 2 radii. So here you can see OA and OB are the 2 radii and also an arc. So friends, what is segment? Segment is a region in the interior of a circle which is enclosed by an arc and chord. In earlier question, we have find what is the chord? Here ED is a chord. So this is a segment. So first of all, we will write answer for OAB, that is answer G. So first of all, we will write answer G. That is what is sector. OAB is a sector of the circle. OAB, we have found that it is a sector of the circle. Means what? That means it is the region enclosed by, it is the region enclosed by the radii. You know what is radii? Radii is the plural of radius. Radii OA, OB, and the arc. So which arc it is enclosed by? It is enclosed by arc AB of the circle. Now let us write answer H. That is for segment. ED is a segment of the circle. ED is the segment of the circle. That means what? It is the region enclosed by the arc ED is the region enclosed by the arc ED and the chord ED. So, here ED is the segment of the circle. That is what it is, the region enclosed by the arc ED and the chord ED. Thank you.